The simple past tense, how to use it, with examples. In this presentation, we will explore the simple past tense, its definition, usage, and examples to help you understand the concept better. Hello everyone and welcome in our YouTube channel. Learn English Online offers you in this video a lesson about the simple past tense. At first, subscribe our YouTube channel, Learn English Online. And visit the site, Online English Academy. Definition and form of simple past tense. The simple past tense is used to describe an action or state that occurred in the past and is no longer happening. It is formed by adding ed to regular verbs or by using irregular verb forms. Regular verbs in simple past tense. Regular verbs, in simple past tense, regular verbs form their past tense by adding ed. For example, walked, talked, played. Example sentence, I played soccer with my friends yesterday. Irregular verbs in simple past tense. 1. Irregular verbs, in simple past tense, irregular verbs do not follow a consistent pattern and have unique forms. For example, ran, ate, went. 2. Example sentence, she went on a vacation to Paris last year. Usage of simple past tense, completed actions. Completed actions. The simple past tense is used to talk about actions or events that were completed in the past. It indicates that the action is finished. Example sentence, he finished his work and submitted it before the deadline. Usage of simple past tense, past habits and states. 1. Past habits. The simple past tense is used to past states, to describe past habits or repeated actions that are no longer true in the. It is also used to talk about a state of present being in the past. For example, describing someone's personality or physical appearance. 3. Example sentence, we used to play soccer every weekend when we were kids. She was a talented dancer in her youth. Usage of simple past tense, sequence of events. 1. Sequence of events. The simple past tense is used to example sentence, to describe a series of events that happened in a specific order in the. She woke up, brushed her teeth, and passed. Had breakfast. The team arrived, set up the 3-note equipment, and started the event. When using the sequence of events, it's important to maintain the chronological order of actions. Examples of simple past tense sentences. Subject she they he verb bought went studied object a new car. To the beach. For the exam. These examples illustrate the use of the simple past tense in different sentence structures. Exercise, read the sentences and fill in the blanks with the correct form of the past tense. We I Tim the flight the teacher we the actress FIFA all night. Was watching / were watching, out with my friends. Went / go, towards the field. Was walking / were walking, a few minutes back. Left / leave, us about dinosaurs. Teach / taught, to Las Vegas last week. Drove / drive, next to the actor. Stand / stood, write your answers in a comment and you can get the correct answers by the link in the description of the video. Thanks for watching this video, and thanks to like, comment and share this video with your friends. Subscribe our YouTube channel, Learn English Online. And visit the site, Online English Academy.